여러분 안녕.
안녕.
오늘은 12월 30일이고 오늘 토피노로 둘이서 여행을 가요. 그래서 지금 드라이브가 한 2시간 반 정도 걸리기 때문에 간단한 점심을 싸고 있습니다.
3시간 걸려요.
아, 2시간 아니고 3시간.
네.
뭐 만들었어요?
에그 샌드위치.
여러분, 지금은 10시 정도 됐고 이제 토피노 쪽으로 출발하려고 하는데 좀 산책도 하고 하이킹도 할 것 같은데, 그리고 이제 늦은 점심을 먹을 거예요. 저희가 좋아하는 타코피노에 가서.
안녕. 안녕. 지금 we are near like South Beach. Just stop here. Maybe walk, see the ocean for a bit. We'll go see.
I fell asleep.
It's good. Good to rest.
It's beautiful.
행복해?
너무 예쁘다. 드론 가지러 간다고 합니다. 너무 행복해요. So that was awesome. And now we're heading to the rainforest loop. 엄청 작은 약간 캐빈 같은 그런 에어비앤비예요. TV 볼 수 있는 공간, 그리고 여기가 잘 수 있는 곳이에요. 자는 공간. 너무 귀여워요. 이거는 투나 브리더고요. 이거는 fish taco. What is this?
Fish burrito.
잤어요.
1시간.
6시부터 7시까지 잤어요.
Questions about 2025.
The New York Public Library.
What's one thing we've learned to appreciate more about each other this year?
It's a very simple one. I didn't know you could like K-pop that much. The way that you like it and then the way that you watch it with me and stuff made me get into K-pop first time in like 10 years, I think. And like letting me appreciate my culture and be proud of my culture and getting to know it more and more.
It's something I think I kind of learned. I think you really like sports. Like even when we were dating, I didn't think you were maybe someone like that. I think when it comes to things I like, I appreciate how much you show passion towards.
Yeah, I try to. Usually things are fun as well.
Yeah, which is good.
I'm like,
These are the boys, they're one and the same. You can get anything you like.
his favorite game is chess. Who
Wait,
will
why are you
ever
playing
guess?
with me?
Playing with the pieces in the chess. Yes.
뭔가
pulled pork sandwich and then brisket sandwich.
진짜
Oh,
맛있어요.
cedar and salt.
너무 배불러요.
That's crazy.
진짜 legit barbecue.
뭐?
bonsai. How long did it take?
We're all done. It took like 44 minutes.
Oh. First, EJ. Get a job as an ECE. Get an ECE license. I couldn't. So, 0! But then YouTube, my goal last year was to make 200 subscribers. But I have like
Almost
more than that. Thank you.
I said I wanted a six-pack. There's no six-pack. One cheat day a week.
Why did you do it so unrealistic? So, I think, yeah, but most of it,
We did.
yeah, we did very good.
Snacks to have.
Last meal of the year.
Maybe we'll have a couple meals before the end of the year.
껍데기 대결입니다.
Pork skin with the barbecue.
I'm therefore a prisoner for the Lord. Jesus.
여보!
Did you say yabbo? Oh. Heart flutter moment. And we have 3 minutes.
56. 55. 5, 4, 3, 2.
잘자. 청소할 거예요.
아, 에어비앤비 청소할 거예요?
네.
네.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun.
So we're leaving Ukilet now, and we're gonna go to this crepe cafe, Port Alberni. It's like an hour and 30 minutes on the way home.
Today, I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun.
진짜 배고파.
집에 갑니다. Hey guys!
Hello.
Thank you for watching this vlog as we were ending the year of 2025. Begin together with you guys.
새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받으세요!